Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to just discuss with you the web portal settings and how to actually set up your statistics on the web portal. So we'll log ourselves in. We'll go to the old web portal. I've already logged myself in. So there already is a brief video regarding obviously the overall layout and obviously all the different options down here. But this video I'm going to show you how to mess around with the actual settings and actually how to set this up so you can actually see all your statistics into your stores. So what we'll do, we'll click up here and then these are your little settings area. So brief overview, we'll click on unique code. So your unique code, that's there for any more downloads of the actual software or trials. That's your unique customer reference as well. That's used for support purposes. So if you ever need to tell us your number, you can get it from here. You've got your company details here tab, so it gives you a few bits of information there. The security, where you can change obviously your password and enter a security question there as well. And there's your settings area. Now this is the area I want to explain a little bit more now. So as you can see, I've got 3 stores all set up. Say for example, I've just got a 4th store now, so I want to get that set up. So what I would do is I would type in, say, the store name of any kind. So let's call that 4. Type that in, and then you create an API key. So you click on that. And then there we go. It's now created an API key here. Now what that basically does, it's a unique store identifier, so it knows to get the information from that store and that store only, so it can show you the correct statistics. So now we've got that, what we can do is we can click on here to copy the actual key. We copy that now. So what we'll do now is we will go down now and go into the actual settings of the store in question. So we'll go to software settings. And the quickest way to get to it, I would suggest, is literally in the filter keyword section here. Just type in API, and then you've got this one here, API key for web portal. So let's open the box on that one. I would recommend putting this into a database override, mainly so obviously it's stuck and only working on that database. If you put it on local, obviously you might need to put that on all of your tills. So just go for database override for that one. So we'll open up that, copy that in. Accept, and there you have it. Save them. Then that's it now. Then technically every 15 minutes this system will then update and send information to the portal. So we go back over to the portal. What you'll probably find now is there won't be any information, but you'll find sync store 4. So that's now been set up. Obviously it's all blank, it hasn't synced up yet, so every 15 minutes it should send us some updated information. It also tells you that obviously the last time it updated. So every 15 minutes it'll spit up that information and then you can view it. Again, any queries or any questions, if you need help getting this set up, then feel free to call support and we can get that sorted out for you. And there you have it. Do hope that's been useful. Take care and I'll check you out next time. See you now.